Hello and Sat Shri Akal. My name is Sadhika and welcome back to my channel. So first of all, thank you so much for all the love on the Doom's brush pen review video. I saw that a lot of you watched that video, so thank you so much for all the support. So after that video went up on my channel, I received a ton of questions in the comments and on Instagram DMs asking which brush pen exactly is the best to use for a beginner in India. So whether that's the Camlin brush pens, the Agile Little Artist brush pens or the Doom's brush pens. So this video will be exactly about that. We look at these three brands which are the most popular and the most affordable brush pens in India right now for brush calligraphy from the perspective of a beginner. So somebody who's just beginning out or just starting out with brush calligraphy, what exactly should they look for in a brush pen and which of these three brush pens fit the bill? And from my point of view, which of these three brush pens do I recommend for a beginner? So what are we waiting for? Let's get into it. So first of all, let's look at the packaging of these three brush pens. In terms of packaging, I love the packaging of Agile and Domes a lot. I think Agile because it's just very compact and I love the little case that it comes in, and Domes because it's kind of snazzier and fancier. I think the pens, they look really cool, and Camlin, I think it can up their packaging game a little bit. Honestly, I think it's been a while since they rebranded their brush pens, the normal ones. Of course, they came out with the artist brush pens last year. I'm not going to talk about those in this video, but from all these three, I think packaging game, Agile and Domes have clearly won it. Now let's look at the important stuff, which is the tip of the brush pen, which is the one thing that I think you should look out for. So there are two things that you need to remember when you look at the tip of the brush pen. The first thing is the length of the tip. There are long tip brush pens and there are short tip brush pens. Between these three, I mean, they all are long tip brush pens. None of them have a short tip, but comparatively, Agile has the slightly longer tip. And the second thing that you need to look at is the flexibility of the brush tip. How flexible is the tip of the brush pen? In my opinion, as a beginner, you should invest in a set of brush pens which is less flexible, because that gives you more control on your strokes and it just makes sure that you're able to control the brush pen better and get cleaner and more refined strokes, right? So if you look at the flexibility of the brush pens, Agile has a slightly stiffer tip. Therefore, I recommend it to beginners and I take my brush calligraphy workshops also using these. Between Camlin and Domes, Camlin has again less flexible tip. Domes, and if you read the packaging of Domes also, it says ultra soft tip. So it has the softest and the most flexible tip out of the three. So this is just to give you an idea about the maximum thickness variation, the thick and thin variation that you can get using these three brush pens. And as you can clearly see, Agile gives you a slightly moderate thickness, followed by Domes, and Camlin gives you the most thick brush strokes, right? So this is just from a side perspective to show you what the brush tips look like. So finally, we're going to be judging these three contenders on three parameters: value for money, pigmentation, and control over tip. Let's talk about value for money. Going by their old MRP, Agile has recently increased the price to 210 rupees, but they're still available at 160 at a lot of stationery shops. So going by that, Agile actually wins in the value for money game. Talking about pigmentation, I think we all can agree that Camlin makes the most pigmented brush pens, followed by Domes and then followed by Agile. I think Agile can definitely, that's one area that they can definitely improve on. But the most important thing is the control over the tip of the pen, and I think Agile has, because it has a less flexible tip, I think it's better suited for beginners. followed by Camlin, and then followed by the ultra soft brush tip of Doms, right? They're all good for beginners, but I think Adgel is slightly better in terms of the last point that I was talking about. But I would like to give Doms brush pens an extra bonus point simply because they decided to include two metallic brush pens, whereas they could have sold them separately just like other brands do, but they decided to include it in their beginner pack, which I love. Especially the silver brush pen on black paper is pure awesomeness in case you're yet to try these brush pens. Finally, I think buying brush pens is like having a cup of tea. You know, some people prefer green tea, some people like masala chai, people like me. And so, similarly, I think some people just prefer short tip brush pens, some people prefer long tip brush pens. It's a whole thing, and it's just my opinion. I prefer Adgel brush pens a little more, but it just completely depends on you whether you like juicier and thicker brush pens or slightly stiffer brush pens. Do try all three out and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.